Alright, so if you are looking for how you can transfer crypto from Binance to Binance, that is how you can transfer crypto from one Binance account to another Binance account without actually having to spend any money at all on transaction fees. Alright, this is the right video for you. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer crypto with email address, ID, or phone number of any registered user on Binance. Alright, this is a very simple step-by-step process that you can do in less than 2 minutes, and it costs you nothing to do that at all, right? So my name is Okafumiwi Cynthia, just in case you are visiting my channel for the first time. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more educative and quality videos, alright? So let's jump in right into it. Alright, so this is it. To do, transfer from Binance to Binance, which is transferring from one Binance account to another person's Binance account. All right, there are different ways to do it. All right, you can actually you can actually collect the person's USDT or whatever cryptocurrencies address and make the transfer. But the best way to do it for me is using either phone number, that is the phone number they registered with on Binance, their email address, or their Binance ID. All right, they can give you their ID and you use it to transfer crypto to them. All right, I'm going to be showing you how you can do that right now on this video. All right, so pay close attention and hit the subscribe button, don't forget. All right, so let's get started now. So transfer from Binance to Binance, first thing you need to do is to come here to wallet. All right, click on wallet, and then you click on withdraw. All right, you can see it here. All right, so you click on withdraw. All right, so when you click on withdraw, they are going to ask you what you want to withdraw. Right, so you can actually choose to withdraw crypto. All right, so we're withdrawing crypto, so you click on crypto. All right, so when you click on crypto, you are going to now select the crypto that you want to withdraw. Right, so in this case, we are going to be selecting USDT. All right, so now you are given an option: send via crypto network. Crypto network is where you get to select Binance blockchain, Tron blockchain, etc. All right, so why the second option is where I talked about email, phone number, or ID, which is the the other Binance users' email, their phone number, or their Binance ID. With any of these three details, you can use it to send and receive crypto from any Binance user anywhere at all that you are in the world. You just need to collect their phone number or their email address or their user ID, and you can transfer to them. Alright, so all you just have to do is to click on send via phone or ID. Alright, so you just click on it. When you click on it, you're going to put, select which of them that you want to paste. Alright, so now in this case, let's say we're using email. Alright, so you click on email, then you drop the person's email. Alright, you drop the person's email, and once you're done with that, you now put the minimum limit. Alright, sorry, you put the amount of USDT that you want to be sending. Alright, so let's say we want to send, let's say 10 USDT. Alright, so you can see here that is zero fee. It's totally free. Binance to Binance transfer through email, ID, or phone number is 100% free. No charge at all. All right, so that is it. So when you are done, you can include an additional note. Let's say you want to maybe gift someone some USDT or whatever it is. You can add the note here. All right, so that is it. And all right, so once you are done with that, the next thing you need to do is to click on send. All right, when you click on send, you are going to do the normal Binance verification of your email address or your authenticator app verification for them to ensure that you're actually the one initiating the transfer. All right, so that is it. So another way for Binance to Binance transfer is this is the only way if you are sending out of your account. All right, well, we have internal transfers. All right, so this is what we have here. Right, so internal transfer, depending on what you are looking to, you can transfer from your funding wallet to your spot wallet. All right, you can as well click on this to interchange it. All right, and so on and so forth. You can select the coin that you want, and so that is it. I hope you got value from this video, and if you did, do let me know in the comment section. If there's any other thing you want me to talk about on this channel, also do let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much. See you on my next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.